With Pride Mobility's newly launched GoGo Elite Traveler 2 scooter, you'll hear us talk a lot about easy turn technology and how it helps this four-wheel scooter turn like a three-wheel. The technology is also present in our Zero Turn series, but how exactly does Easy Turn work? There are two components to its functionality. First, the tiller is designed to make a more pronounced turn so that the front inside wheel is nearly perpendicular to where the base is facing. The second component is exclusive patented technology developed by the Pride Research and Development team. No matter the speed at which the unit is moving, once the tiller is turned in either direction, the unit will automatically slow down so that the turn can be completed safely at a reduced turning radius. For example, on the GoGo Elite Traveler 2, the turning radius is just 37 inches, which means you get the turning ability of a three-wheel scooter while maintaining the stability of a four-wheel. Pride describes this function as intelligent turning, since the user doesn't need to slow down to turn safely. With Easy Turn technology, you're going to experience mobility like never before. We invite you to visit pridemobility.com to learn much more about this revolutionary travel mobility scooter, and we encourage you to give it a try and feel the power of Easy Turn technology for yourself.